Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Python programming with the classic game Hangman, where you can guess a secret word chosen from a list by suggesting letters. For each incorrect guess, a part of the hangman is drawn, and you win by guessing the word before the hangman is fully drawn, or lose if the hangman is completed first. Now, let's break down the Python script that implements the Hangman game. We will explain each function, variable, and line of code, breaking down the logic behind it step by step. So, first of all, our global variables are guessed letters, wrong attempts, and max attempts. The guessed letters, this list keeps track of the letters that the player has guessed so far. Wrong attempts tracks the number of incorrect guesses made by the player. The max attempts determines the maximum number of incorrect guesses allowed before the game ends. Now, the function chooseWord. This function opens a file named words.txt and reads its contents, assuming each word is on a separate line. Then it randomly selects a word from the list of words, reads from the file, and returns it. And this is our file, words.txt. You can modify it as any way if you want. So we here have some vegetables or fruits, some fruits names, a fig, yam, kiwi, etc. So anyway, the display word function. This function takes the word, aka the secret word, and the guessed letters list as input. It iterates through each letter in the word, and if the letter has been guessed, which is in the guessed letters, it's added to the displayed word. Otherwise, it's replaced with an underscore. The function returns the displayed word with guessed letters revealed and underscores for unguessed letters. The function displays stickman. This function displays a visual representation of the hangman figure based on the number of incorrect guesses. It uses a list called stages, where each element represents a different stage of the hangman figure as ASCII art. The correct stage is selected from the stages list based on the number of incorrect guesses and printed to the console. Now the main game, the hangman, this function is where the actual gameplay takes place. It starts by choosing a random word using chooseWord and initializes local variables for the game. Okay. It enters a loop where the player can continue guessing until they either guess the word correctly or run out of attempts. So we have here chooseWord and we enter the loop. In each iteration of the loop, it displays the current state of the word using display word. The guess letters and prompts the player to guess a letter. It displays the word, guess letters, and it prompts the player to guess letter. Okay. It validates the guess, updates the game state accordingly by adding the guess to guess letters, incrementing wrong attempts if necessary, and displays the hangman figure using display stickman. If the player guesses the word correctly, they win the game, and if they run out of attempts, they lose. Okay, so once we've grasped how the code works, it's time to put it into action. We will run the Hangman game and interact with it live. You will see how the game progresses as well. We take guesses, as well we make guesses, reveal letters, and watch out for the Hangman figure being drawn. So let's start. Here a game says, "Welcome to Hangman," and we have this word. It's one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters word chosen from this list. Okay, so for instance, let's guess the letter A. It says incorrect guess, and it shows you what are the letters you've chosen. So it's not the letter A. Let's guess C. Also, C is wrong. So as we see, it starts drawing the hangman. Let's guess J. J is also wrong. Let's try P. P is also wrong. Let's try R. The word has actually the R, the letter R. It has two of it. It replaced the underscore from where the letter is, and it replaced it. Let's try Q. As we see, we're about to lose here. So let's choose U. We have actually U. It's correct. Let's try the O. Sorry, you ran out of attempts. The word was mulberry. Mulberry. Cool, right? So let's try another time, and this time I'll try to win the game. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters word. So let's try the letter B. It's wrong. Okay. So we see here the words file. The user can see this file, but as we see it, and we know we have 9 letters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It could be one of these two. So let's try the M. The M is wrong. Let's try the T. The T is actually wrong also. Okay, let's try the A. Okay, we have the A. Let's try the I. Okay, I think it could be pineapple. Yes, yes, we guessed that. Pin, pine, apple. We have a letter L. But if I choose the same letter again, like the E, it will not affect the gameplay. It will just ask you to repeat or choose another letter. So let's choose L. Congratulations, you guessed the word pineapple. Let's try again with another word. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try T. Okay, let's try A. Let's try M, I, D, and N, and let's try V, R. Congratulations, you guessed the word tamarind. Tamr Hindi. Tamarind. Okay, let's give it another try. And last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. 7 letters. It could be banana or papaya, I think. Let's try B. Okay, let's try P. Okay, what about the M? M is wrong. Let's try S. Okay, let's try T. I think we're about to lose this time also. Let's try the E. Okay, another last try. Let's close this one and start another time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try the A. Let's try K. K is wrong. Let's try Y. Y is also wrong. We have a four letters word. It probably could be plum, I think, because we see it here in the file. Let's try P. L. U. M. Congratulations, you guessed the word plum. It's funny, right? So, throughout the video, we've learned some tips and tricks for improving your Python coding skills. And as we wrap up, we've learned how Hangman can be a fun way to practice Python programming. We have explored reading files, using loops and conditions and conditionals, and handling user input. If you enjoyed this project, consider exploring other Python projects like Tic-Tac-Toe, a sample calculator, or even a basic chatbot. These projects will help you continue honing your skills and having fun with Python. So, don't forget to like this video if you are excited, subscribe to the channel if for more content like this, and thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.